Are you someone who's looking for ways to treat your acne, pigmentation and dark spots, and you can't spend much time preparing home remedies? Then I have something simple and super effective for you. A remedy to treat all your skin problems without consuming much of your time. So today I'm going to share a nighttime face oil recipe using only 3 but very powerful ingredients. This oil not only takes care of all your skin problems but also improves your skin tone over a period of time if used regularly. Before we proceed further, if you are someone visiting my channel for the first time, or if you are someone who has not subscribed to my channel yet, consider doing it now. Otherwise, you might miss out on my future videos where I'm going to share some wonderful skin and hair care remedies. First, let's understand the potential of our ingredients that we are going to use for this remedy. Our first and the hero ingredient of this remedy is saffron. Saffron, which is also known as kesar, has been used as a beauty element for ages and is thought to be beneficial in treating a variety of health and skin concerns. This wonder spice contains a plethora of skin and hair nourishing properties. As a result, it's found in a variety of cosmetic products. When it comes to skincare, it not only nourishes the skin but also protects it from hazardous chemicals, harsh weather, and UV radiation. Saffron is high in vitamins, potassium, and antioxidants which help keep the skin healthy. The anthers of saffron flower contain active ingredients enriched with vitamin A, vitamin B2, and vitamin B3, which can replenish the cells, hydrate, and brighten the skin. Pollution, rapidly changing weather, dust, harsh temperatures, sun rays, and other external elements can harm the skin, making it seem dull and dark on the surface. One of the best saffron skin benefit is its capacity to rejuvenate the skin. The regular use of saffron-based products can give your skin a radiantly healthy complexion. One of the essential saffron skin benefit is its ability to combat acne and skin blemishes effectively. Saffron has powerful antifungal and antibacterial qualities, making it an ideal component for treating and clearing acne-prone skin. If you're concerned about pigmentation and dark spots on your face, then saffron can help. One of the most well-known saffron skin advantages is its natural ability to minimize pigmentation. With the aid of saffron, melanin secretion may lower in the skin, which aids in the reduction of melasma and pigmentation patches. Saffron's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory abilities have been discovered to enhance cell proliferation and renewal in the skin. It speeds up the healing process and lessens the scar left by the wounds. Overexposure to ultraviolet rays can create a suntan or darkening of the skin shade. One of the lesser-known secret skin advantage of saffron is its calming and skin lightening properties. It can successfully target suntan and leave the skin radiant from within. Saffron is also a powerful anti-aging agent. That's why it is an active ingredient in various cosmetic products too. It hydrates the skin cells from inside and combats dry skin. Saffron is high in active carotenoids which keep the skin looking young and tight. Our next powerful ingredient in this remedy is almond oil. Almond oil has anti-inflammatory and immunity boosting capabilities. Almond oil is available in 2 varieties, sweet and bitter. The most suitable for our skin is sweet almond oil. It is high in vitamin D, E, and minerals which help relieve inflammation, protect against UV damage, and replenish the skin's hydration. It is abundant in unsaturated fats and seeps deeply into the skin and softens your complexion. Its 19% linolenic acid concentration shields against oxidative damage. The vitamin A contains retinol, which can accelerate the formation of healthy skin tissue and erase existing wrinkles. Both the upper and lower layer requires vitamin A from the epidermis. It appears to protect against UV damage by interfering with the mechanism of collagen breakdown. Since it is an antioxidant, it helps shield your body from the sunburn. The omega-3 fatty acids present in almond oil assist in avoiding accelerated aging and sunburn or damage. The omega-3 fatty acids present in almond oil moisturize the skin and also battle red, dry or itchy skin associated with skin illness such as atopic dermatitis and psoriasis. If you have been looking for a magic potion for your skin, you should consider vitamin E. Vitamin E is an antioxidant and has anti-inflammatory properties that are effective in maintaining skin health. Yes, vitamin E oil for skin is highly beneficial. It moisturizes and nourishes your skin. It adds to your glow and makes your skin smooth and healthy. This oil is also known to reduce hyperpigmentation and wrinkles besides maintaining skin's health. Increased melanin production in your skin causes a darker skin tone, a hyperpigmentation of your skin, which is also known as melasma. Melasma can be treated with topical application of vitamin E oil. Now, if we combine these three powerful ingredients and use it regularly, then we can only expect some magical results. Let's see how to prepare it. To store this oil, I would suggest you to take a clean glass bottle. So first in this goes our almond oil. Then I'm taking few drops of vitamin E oil, or you can take about a teaspoon of this vitamin E oil and add a few strands of saffron. Make sure you're not exceeding more than 10 to 15 strands. Gently mix the ingredient and let it rest for 7 days. It will be better if you can keep this oil in the sunlight for some time. After 7 days, you will notice that your oil has become slightly orangish in color. That's it, your oil is ready to be used. To apply this oil, you have to wash your face first to make sure that there is no makeup or any kind of oil or dirt on your skin. Take a few drops of this face oil and gently massage your face. Leave it overnight and wash your face with a mild face wash the next day. You have to use this remedy consistently to see the good results. And don't forget to share your results with me then. I hope you like this remedy. If so, don't forget to hit that like button and also share it with your friends and family. Take good care of yourself, and I will see you in my next video at RiVaa Foodz.